We'll guide you through how to take a screenshot on an Acer laptop. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So perhaps you want to go and capture something on the screen for yourself to add into a document or even to go and send to somebody. It doesn't matter, we're going to guide you through how this is done. It's much easier than you probably think, so we're going to guide you through this. We actually go and use a keyboard shortcut to go and do this as well. So we're going to guide you through that, and we'll also guide you through a manual way of doing it and then how you can go and find the screenshot as well. So let's go and get started. So for the keyboard shortcut, you need to go and press on your keyboard the left shift key, the Windows key, and S. Your screen will go dark like this, and then what you can do is go and click, hold, and drag and select the area you want to go and take the screenshot of, release, and there you'll see the screenshot. You can click on it to open it up. Otherwise, it's copied to your clipboard already. And to go and find it, you can go and press File Explorer at the bottom. You come over to the left and select Pictures, come into Screenshots. I go and press Sort and go and set it to Descending, and there it is there. Alternatively, you can press Search at the bottom and you can go and type in Snipping Tool, and you can then go and click on it up here and it will open up, and you can press New and you can then go and choose what you want to go and take the screenshot of. It will open up and it will go and be saved to your screenshots folder as well, or you can edit it and manually go and save it as well. That's it. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.